Trang bạc cái lao còn cái sáng mau long bảo juan dầu ban sale ban thịt jing thịt sẽ Iewduh ai Snem khát kendai spa pra Haduh Snem khát kendai spa kendai pheu ai bạc cái kami bạc pro cái jang Hynrei Haduh mentawat hadin live san Snem bảo long Trang bạc cái Iewduh cái này Kumjuh klaim cái jing kala ai cái bạc khamba ya cái này bạc keren bảo bu yêu mau cái teng nam ta ban penbha ya cái Iewduh ha cái khalai trik này là ajab san ha cái jing lut cái bạc khalai kelutam Bayo na North Eastern Council na ka San Cruz ka balaya ya ka jingsina basa kumba lai ya kani wa kren ha bu mau ka teng nam ta ban penbha ya Iewduh ha ka khalai tari unai la ajab san ha ka jinglut ka ba khalai kelutam Kebayo na North Eastern Council na ka San Cruz ka balaya ya ka jingsina bat sa ka benta ka balai kumba arpho kur bat baro kan long kumba sau San Cruz ban penbha ya ka Iewduh Conrad ang bakam don jingmut ba chusyang na sekretariat ban Ukraine ya stadium gi bahe ki surok ki bahe ada omla ban penkala ya ka jingim ya kinong syong yau kinong bala kinong lab kilong kemi ki batrai stam man kasngi hapleng uslap kal bat ka jing shit kasngi ulang badai ni ka daw barai ban wan jingo Iewduh ban sengap ya jing jing paj ba bat kumno ban la namta jongki ula kenturu ha ka juga po ya kinong syong shit dukan ki bawan jeu Kumjuh ban le khoj khnang ban plong ya ka Iewduh ka bapau nam ha ka ri India
meeting the small street vendors and looking at the overall condition and difficulties that they worked with. And I realized that while they're working, government must intervene in some way or the other. It is not really about just the money or just the scheme that we are giving. I think the larger message is about dignity. And we cannot make decisions that impact your lives by simply sitting in secretariat and in the comfort of our offices and decide what development and what schemes you need. It can only be done by feeling and going through what all of you are going through every day. And friends, as already mentioned by Deputy CM in charge Urban Affairs, we have already initiated the first process of 5 crores worth of improvement, and you must have seen today also we were surveying and we were checking the work that is being done, and today we have also laid down the foundation for the second phase of 13 plus crores, almost 14 crores of funds which have been sanctioned through the NEC, and I thank our donor minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, for his generosity. And after we have discussed with him about the importance of Iewduh, he has very, very happily sanctioned the money, and today we have laid the foundation stone for the second phase of the Iewduh beautification project. And we are already preparing the DPR for the third phase, which is going to amount to almost close to 20 crores for the third phase of the Iewduh beautification project, which means in total almost close to 40-45 crores is going to be spent to improve the overall infrastructure and beautification of Iewduh market. I remember in 1988, 89, 90, when I was a small boy studying in class 6, 7 and 8 in St. Edmund's School in Shillong. There were many days where I used to go to Bara Bazaar along with my mother and along with our family members and some of the people who are working with us. And you will not believe, but I was a regular visitor to Iewduh or to Bara Bazaar market in those times in 1988, 89 and 90. And even after almost close to 35 years, Iewduh has not changed. and there has been no major development that has taken place, which I strongly feel does not go with the overall economic growth story of our nation and of our state. When everybody is moving forward, why isn't Iewduh market and area moving forward? I speak about a $10 billion economy. I speak about building big roads. I speak about building a big secretariat, big stadiums. But all of this will mean nothing if we cannot change the livelihood of our common citizens. If we cannot make a difference in the small families and individuals who work every day from morning to evening, struggling to earn their daily livelihood. And therefore, our growth story is incomplete without the growth story of our small vendors, of our small shopkeepers, of our farmers, of our entrepreneurs who are trying to build up their business, of our women folk who work every day tirelessly, take care of their families, and yet are able to earn a daily livelihood.